Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, short and sweet. It's about 10 after 9 as I'm doing this. Daily chart, you can see both last night and on Friday, the 9-day, which is diving pretty hard to meet price, is holding things in. So we talked about the 100-day last week. Could the 100 break? Would the 100 hold? It has held. The lower band ride is over. That ended on Friday, but the 9-day is coming as pretty nice support. The low... 43.09 quarter, 43.11. You got a lower low. So all that points in, in the bear's favor for being able to try to get down to do two things. Number one, take out the rounding, 4,300. Okay, they broke the new weekly pivot last night. That's 43. Call it 43.30. Sealed it off for a couple of hours, and they've made a lower low. You got to deal with 4,300. Then you got to deal with 42.77. If you are the bulls, you got problems, okay? You got problems, and you got a lot of them, okay? It starts at the weekly pivot, then the hourly midband, then the 9-day is your real problem. It wanted nothing to do with the 9-day on Friday, wanted nothing to do with the 9-day last night. They gapped it up because, oh my gosh, they came up with another continuing resolution so the government wasn't going to shut down. Is anybody shocked and amazed? I mean, we go through this every time. Anybody that thinks that the government's actually going to shut down, you are Charlie Brown. Lucy's got the football, and here you come, and you're going to end up right on your ass. So, whoa, big miracle. They kick the can down the road again. Anyway, back to the tape. They gap it up on that. Nope. They get up to the 9-day, doesn't want it. They fill the gap, they break the weekly pivot, and it's a pretty steady 3-4 hours down since the Europe Open. So, look, the bulls really don't have a point anywhere above 43.30, and they certainly have no staying power anywhere between 43.50. They need to close, not just trade above, they need to close above the 9-day if they're going to have any sustainability this week. That's the key. So, it's a Monday morning. I mean, as far as the actual tape is concerned, my expectation is that it's a fairly close to the vest open. If it gets down to 4,300, which I would expect it would do pretty quickly, they're going to fight over that a bit. I do think, though, unless they bounce it, that's a battle that the bears can win, and then we're really talking about 42.77. Break 42.77 and seal it off, then you can start to get it down into that 42.50, 42.33 area. Not a big deal. And again, until the bulls can close above the 9-day and ultimately above the daily midband, which is sitting on the front month up at 44.45, so another 100 after you figure out the 9-day. We're still in sell rallies. All right, that's all I got. There will be a closing wrap-up tonight and a subscriber webcast tonight. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. I'll see everybody tonight. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.